all about Kenzzi product.
Hey y'all, this is Kim, and I want to show you what I use. I started using this about probably now almost a year ago, and this is a Kenzzi. I have grown to absolutely love this product. It's basically like a laser hair removal. You need to exfoliate your legs, your arms, everything that you're going to use this product on because it helps. So I actually just got home, and so I took a shower, I exfoliated my legs. You don't want to put any lotions on or anything like that. And then you have this unit right here, and let me get the plug. So it is plugged in, and when you flip it over on the back, it's going to give you a green light. Touch this a few times. It's going to turn it on, but it also will give you the amount, the pressure or the amount of power that you can handle. And when you first start this, they suggest they give you a little booklet, a little guide in here, and they kind of tell you what all the parts and pieces are for it. Of course, safety first. But it will tell you the difference on your skin tone. So if you're fair skin, if you're, more on the medium tone, beige type, and then all the way up, it's going to tell you where to start out with. So start out at 1 and you can end at 5. Start out at 1, you can end at 5. Start out at 1 and end at 3. Never go past 1. So it really kind of depends on your skin tone. By pushing the green light on the back gives you the intensity that you should be at. So 1 would be 1, blue light would be 1, and I'm up to the 4. It doesn't feel anything, so the results can vary really from person to person. Most people will notice a reduction, like after 3 or 4 treatments. I noticed I didn't have to shave but maybe once a week. My legs, for sure. I did not have to shave them, but maybe once a week. I am a person that shaves every single day. I have always been that way. The hotter I get, the faster my hair grows. But I basically can go maybe once a week. And you can use this in every place that you would like to control. You can give yourself any kind of a shave that you want. So just make sure you don't put any lotion on first. So when I do this, I turn it down. Let's get it back down. And you can hold it any way you want. It's whatever's comfortable for you. I put it up against my face. Don't push it really hard. And literally just move it around. If you hold it, it will just do itself. Every time I don't have to deal with any hair around my lip. Do you have those pesky hairs on your chin? I remember when I saw my grandma, my little Belgian grandma, and I said, "Why you got little hairs here?" Well, you shouldn't say anything if you don't want them yourself. Okay, so when I do my legs, I hold this, move it, right? And it will just keep doing it. So you just move them. Now you could move it faster. I find better luck when I do it this way. And I just hold it. Now if it gets uneven, it will stop working. So just make sure it's in an even spot. And that's all I do. This Kenzzi, I absolutely love the Kenzzi. So for those of you that maybe haven't tried anything like this, I'm going to put this up. I'll give you more information. Catch you later. If you want to have a private consultation with me, please do. And if you like what you saw today, subscribe. And then hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Every Tuesday and Sunday, I put videos up. And in between, who knows what comes? It's between lifestyle and beauty products. Today, it was lifestyle. Have a fabulous day. This is Kim Brown, your girl. All about Kenzzi product.